Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little Saint Laurent haul from their Rive, I'm gonna mispronounce this, Droite line, and I'm really excited to share these items with you guys. I've been looking forward to them. I've already opened one on TikTok and Instagram that's out of the box, but these two just came in, and so I figured I'd do the unboxing on YouTube for these two, but I will show you all three items. This line is a mixture of lifestyle items. They have lighters, they have notebooks, they have a little bit of everything, and so I got a few items for the new year and just great stationery items. So I'm going to start with what I have already opened, and then we'll get into this unboxing. So I recently so I purchased these all together, and they all arrived separately. I believe they came from different stores, but I purchased the Saint Laurent A5, a Good Company leopard print notebook. I'll have everything linked below, and I love it. I'll pull it out, but I just want to show y'all. I keep it in my Louis Vuitton agenda with my Hermes planner, and absolutely love it. This one came in really early. It came like next day from when I ordered it, and I have it like in here, but I really love it. The paper is different. I've never felt this type of paper before, and it imprints a little bit differently, but here is the front cover. Got Saint Laurent, and then a Good Company on the back with Saint Laurent. I love the style. The full black leather notebook was sold out. I did hit the little notify me button, and I will grab that whenever it gets picked up, but I'm really excited to try an A5 notebook, and I've really loved it. So this is really just going to be like a general notebook. Right now I just have been working on like my debt management plan and everything that I'm going to cover in a different video in here, but I do plan on using it just for different items. The paper is just so smooth, and it's, I don't know, I love it. Here's what blank pages looks like. I love that it has a pen holder on it. I feel like this is just like an incredible notebook. And then it also has a little slot so you can put things back here. And there's like two little stickers. I don't really know what this is for, but I just think this is like a great notebook, especially because it's around the same price as the Dior notebooks, but this one at least is A5. And here's a comparison compared to the Dior notebook. And you get so much more. You get the pen, you get, they both have ribbons, you get the little holder. I just think this is a more well thought out notebook, and I actually like the paper texture a little bit differently because it's different. But yeah, purchased this and really loving it. And then these two just came in today. So it did come with a store bag, which I haven't seen the gold ones before, and I just thought was really cute. And so here's what the bag looks like. And then everything of course comes packaged. We will open this one first, the larger box. Both have their little order slips. I love the envelope and just the texture of their papers. This is a stationery haul, so I can like talk about it openly, but their thank you cards are so pretty. I love the detail that goes into ordering from Saint Laurent. I really think Saint Laurent is probably my favorite designer at this point, just because I love everything that they come out with, and just like their quality, and then also their like aesthetic. I think it's just very much what I've like personally love. But yeah, let's open this one up. So I feel like everybody on Instagram and TikTok and even YouTube have the Saint Laurent coffee cup. And I just don't know how I feel about that silicone top. I'll leave a picture in here if I can remember. And it's really cute, don't get me wrong. I really love the design, but I wanted something a little bit more practical. Then I have so many like coffee cups. And I want one that I can use for more than just coffee for when I'm traveling. And so I decided to get it's like double bagged. matte black travel mug in metal. So I just love this. It's so slim, it's compact. You can easily take this with you. You can put hot or cold items in it. And I just think it's a lot more sleek. It's definitely a lot more versatile. I can actually like throw this in my bag as opposed to the like other travel mugs or tumblers that they have on the site. So when I saw this one, I really loved it and I really wanted to grab it. I just love how like sleek the design is and just how nice the quality is. So yeah, I wanted to grab this one and I love it. Like, especially looking at it in person, it's just a very nice tumbler and I'm really excited to use it. So we have that. It comes in gold and I believe silver as well. But of course I wanted the black because that's my favorite and I think it would just match everything. And then the item that I'm most excited about is in here. So let's open this one up. So we have the pen case in leather and it came with this little tag and I really don't know where, I don't know. First, okay, so rewind. This is the Saint Laurent pen case and honestly, first, like, just by looking at this, I'm going to say I'm going to return it because this is not what I thought I ordered. I thought I'd be able to hold like a few pens. I didn't realize it was like a single pen case. With that, it is lambskin. There's a slit right here. Still want to share this with you guys. Here's my Apple pencil, and here's what a pen looks like in here. So it really will just hold a single pen. And you guys, I really thought it was like an actual like case that could hold like multiple, like maybe a few pens, and that's why I wanted to get it. Here's my Uniball Signo. And like it's already having troubles like fitting in there. So I think it has to be more of like a sleeker pen. Here's, let's see how this looks. This is my Energel, it's a little bit bigger though. Yeah, so that won't fit. Here's another Uniball pen. And that fits, but I feel like this kind of, I don't know. For me and what I wanted, the reason why I got it was because I thought it'd be a nice little pen holder case. Oh, and now this is stuck. Oh no. Okay, got it out. But I thought it was gonna be more like a pocket type of case where I could put a few pens in and it'll probably like close with the flap. But yeah, first impressions, if this is what you're looking for, I think it's a really nice quality pen case, but this is not what I was looking for, and I'm honestly going to return this, which I'm kind of bummed about, because like I mentioned, this was the thing that I was most excited about, but that's because I thought it would be like a real like pen case where I can hold more than a single pen, and the full pen at that. But yeah, that is everything from Saint Laurent. So I love the water bottle, of course, obsessed with the notebook. So I'll take it as a win if I just dislike one of the 3 items. But yeah, I'm going to return the pen case and keep these 2. And yeah, that is everything that I got from Saint Laurent. If y'all want any more information on any of these items, please feel free to let me know. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing.